Welcome to another Red Seal e-learning session. This module walks us through the steps for creating a user in AWS, then establishing an access key and secret key, and finally downloading those keys in a CSV file. In AWS, we start out on the console homepage. For our setup requirements, we will start by opening the All Services section. AWS organizes this section into groups of tasks. We need to look for Security, Identity, and Compliance, and then IAM. The IAM link sends us to a dashboard, which among many items displays the number of users. Here, we will click the Add User button. The new screen reveals a form with a name text field. After creating a name, we need to choose from two access types. For our purposes, we need access key ID and secret access key. Therefore, we should choose the programmatic access option. We can see the definition of this choice, which indicates its use in AWS SDK. If we look to the bottom right, we find our next step. Click the Next Permissions button to set policy for this user. In this setup, we only created one user and no groups. That leads us to select the third option, Attach Existing Policies directly. After we click it, the screen populates a list of policies. We need to find the ones relevant to our user by first using a search term, like direct. This term narrows the selection so we can find AWS Direct Connect read-only access. This AWS predefined policy establishes read-only permission to retrieve the Direct Connect related information from AWS. Next, we will use the search term IAM to locate IAM read-only access. Another predefined policy, this one allows accessing IAM and account information from AWS. Then finally, we use the keyword EC2 to find Amazon EC2 read-only access. This AWS predefined policy permits retrieval of EC2 information and VPC-related information from AWS. After our selections, we need to continue by clicking the Next Tags button. AWS does not require tags, but they could prove useful for finding a user in the future. We need to click Next Review button. As a quick review, we selected programmatic access with an access key, and we selected 3 policies for our permissions. At this point, we can select the Create User button. On the Success screen, a brief paragraph indicates the importance of downloading the CSV file at this time. As noted, this page marks the final time these credentials appear. If missed, AWS provides a way to delete this user and create another one to acquire the access key ID and secret access key needed for the data collection in Red Seal. As we complete the required CSV file download, we can close the window to return to our created user. By clicking the name link, we can review or edit this user for additional policies, groups, tags, etc. The Security Credentials tab reveals the sign-in credentials along with the access key ID. Keep in mind that this area will not show the secret access key. If we cannot locate the CSV file containing the secret key, this screen then allows us to make the access key inactive, along with deleting this user. If we click Users in the left navigation panel, we can return to the Add User screen. And that wraps this up. Thank you for watching this video, and look for more videos on our redseal.net website.